Make a great choice today with the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.